Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, and in today's video we're going to be testing out this beauty book by Profusion. I got this from Five Below, and it's supposed to be one product that gives you everything you need to create basically a full face with everything except like your foundation and your concealer and your powder. So it has 2 blushes, 1 bronzer, 30 eyeshadows, 5 lip colors, 1 eyeliner pencil, and then it also has applicators for each product. So today we're going to try out these products and see what kind of look we can come up with using only this. Obviously there's no base makeup, so I have to use what I have for that, but other than that, everything else is going to come out of this palette. So if you guys are ready to get started, let's go ahead and jump right in. So let me know in the comments how you guys think I did. How do you think this look turned out? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think that I did a good job, bad job, mediocre? What do you think? I think it looks really good. Like, for $5, I feel like this is definitely a look. You can finesse this palette in a lot of different ways. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos, just ring the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.